Hey guys, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. So in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change page title style on Google Sites. So first if you want to open Google Sites, after opening it, I'm just going to create a blank site here. So here you can see your page title, and for changing the font, first you just need to, and for changing the font, here I'm just going to type something. And for changing this font, first you just need to select this font, and then here is an option. You can see here the font that you had been selected over here. Click on that, and from here you can just choose the text that you wanted, and then you can see that you had been changed to the page title font on Google Sites. So that's it for this quick tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and the subscribe button for more such quick and very interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.